To uninstall Windows Update in Windows 11, click on Start, open Settings. On the left side, click on Windows Update. From here, select Update History. Now scroll it down, click on Uninstall Updates. Uninstall the update as per the install date. Simply click on Uninstall and remove the latest installed update. If this option does not work, you can go through the control panel as well. Simply click in Search, type Control in here, select Open, change the view by to Category, then click on Programs. Under Programs and Feature, click on View Installed Updates, and then you can uninstall this update. If nothing works for you, you can uninstall updates from Window Recovery Environment as well. Press and hold Shift key on your keyboard, then click on Start and restart your PC. Keep holding the Shift key until you see Windows Recovery Environment screen. Once you'll have a screen like this, simply click on Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. From here, select Uninstall Updates. Make sure you know about your updates. It's a quality update or a feature update. Then simply select it and click on Uninstall Update. I hope our methods will help you out to fix your problem. If not, you can contact us on our Facebook page as well. That's all for today. See you in the next video.